Hey everyone, welcome back. We are in a Turbo S CX-90. I've never gotten a chance to drive one of these high output inline 6 cylinders for the CX-90. So let's do that. Let's start it up and take you through the gears. So this is nice and smooth. This is one of the best, most handsome looking third row SUVs on the market, I think. And when you consider Mazda, a smaller company, engineering and crafting something like this for you, did you know that no other manufacturer uses as much modeling clay as Mazda? Moving pretty smooth, and this is over 4,800 pounds of Mazda power. Using some paddle shifting in the 8-speed automatic. I'm going to tip into sport mode through the MI drive switch. You got sport, normal is the default, and off-road as well. Fast shifts, dive into this S-curve and downshift a little bit. That rear wheel drive performance. CX-90 does have an excellent turning radius, very short. You can hear a little bit of the turbo, but that inline 6-cylinder sound is harmonious. Always liked it in a BMW. Any 6-cylinder sounds great. Now, even though you're in sport mode and you're paddle shifting, it will auto upshift unless you go into the settings and disable that so that you can have access to holding gears. Very smooth over the tracks. It moves and it sounds great when it does, for as big a vehicle as it is. Love having this kind of power in a Mazda, and that rear bias setup for performance. So available right now, Mazda Crystal Lake. My name is James Orton. You can email me at james.orton@andersoncars.com. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. Safe travels, everyone.